Hey everyone, happy Friday and last day of Prime Day. This is Tony from Ad Advance. Wanted to share a quick cool update that one of our teammates, Noah, found in the DSP ad console. Has to do with audiences and just kind of a new way that we can build a custom audience to get a little bit more granular with our targeting and ultimately help reduce wasted ad spend. So what we're looking at here is the custom audience builder within the Amazon DSP console. You'll notice that there is a new option down here, the OLV ads with completion rate. So what this means is we can build an audience now of shoppers who were exposed to our OLV campaigns or line items that reached a certain completion threshold. So previously, you'll see over on the right here, there's the display and OLV ads audience creation, where this is just kind of a coverall for your OLV campaigns. You know, anybody served one of your impressions from an OLV campaign, now you can build an audience of them. Awesome. Well, let's take it a step deeper now, where we can get more granular and say, hey, I want to really target people that watched 75 or 100% of my video rather than 50 or 25%. So why this matters is, you know, you've got a wide breadth of people. You know, typically an OLV campaign is going to be a more upper funnel, educational awareness kind of a, you know, brand play compared to a lower funnel play where somebody's already familiar with your brand. They viewed your detail page perhaps. So, you know, you're targeting a large, wide audience of people. Not everybody's going to be as leaned in as the other. So what this helps us do now is just get a little bit more selective of the people that we're going to be creating an audience with. You can reasonably assume that if somebody watched 75 or 100% of your video in comparison to 25 or 50%, they're more familiar with your brand. They maybe have a little bit more interest. They're more leaned in, if you will. It's a warmer audience. So if now you've got a sequence of ads that you want to show somebody, you know, you could say that they're a little bit more engaged. We're working them down the funnel. Now we can serve them another, you know, maybe more educational video ad or a display creative that shows off a little bit more about the product or your brand specifically. So ultimately, rather than serving ads to, you know, the full breadth of people that were served a previous OLV ad from your campaigns, now you're just getting more selective, really going after those shoppers who are more leaned in than the others. And again, ultimately reducing your wasted ad spend. You're just stretching your ad dollars a little bit further there. Cool. Thanks. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Happy Prime Day.